This really easy, crispy frozen chicken patties and air fryer recipe is a really easy weeknight dinner idea, or it's really good for game day. You can use any breaded chicken patties brand like Tysons or Trader Joe's or Bell & Evans like I'm using here. Let me show you how to really quickly air fry frozen chicken patties. In total, it only takes about 15 minutes, but you do it first for 5 minutes at 400 degrees, and then you flip them and air fry them for another 5 to 7 minutes until they're ready. And then during that time, you can prepare the vegetables. I use things like tomatoes, onions, lettuce, and I had some dressings like blue cheese dressing and some Frank's hot buffalo sauce, which is so good on these. All right, so you can prepare those while it's cooking, and then it's actually time after you give them the first flip. Then you go ahead and you put on some cheese on top. I use some cheddar cheese for these ones, and that melted very nicely, very fast, in about a minute in the air fryer. All right, so on goes those toppings. I like to put the bun down, and then I do some lettuce, some onion, some tomato slices, and then on goes the air fried breaded chicken patty with melted cheese on top, a little drizzle of Frank's hot buffalo sauce, and then on the top bun, I like to put some blue cheese dressing to give it a nice, really creamy, cool bite. Look how delicious that is. My husband was very impressed that I pulled together dinner in like 15 to 20 minutes, and even my toddler really enjoyed this meal, which says a lot because despite having a food blogger as a mom, he doesn't eat everything. All right, well, make sure to check out the recipe at sipbitego, and until next time, give this video a like or a comment if you learned something new. I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!